Hey everyone, my name is Renee. I'm a multimedia artist. Welcome to my channel, Created by Renee. We're actually finally going to get to this box. You might have seen it in the first part of this video, part 1. And today we're actually going to talk about what's in the box. I have already created at least half a dozen playlists that you can't see yet on this channel, and I have a list of probably around 75 video ideas. I only have a few here to share with you, and I guess the rest will flesh out as we go. I'm not going to unbox 75 topics. I'm just going to go over a few of the topics that I am looking forward to sharing and discussing with you on this channel. I'm a multimedia artist, which means I work in a bunch of different mediums. I'm a newbie YouTuber. What's really I'm finding is really important to me is to not just create content and get views. It's to entertain you and to add value to your life and maybe get you through a moment of boredom or sadness, which is, in light of the current situation, understandable. I'm the typical introverted, camera shy. I'd rather be creating things from behind the camera than to be in front of it. I wanted to get past that to share some of the things that people have been asking me to share for years, both online and off. I want to inspire people with my channel, and particularly in this time when I feel like there's so much going on and people could use the entertainment and inspiration. Paint how to, supply review. Let's see, we got new techniques. I've sold on Etsy for like years. So I'll be sharing some tips on Etsy if you're interested in getting a shop started there. I'm not an expert, but I can tell you what I do know, and I can answer questions. We can do some kids crafts. I tried salvage art, trial and error. Next up, we have decor how-to, texture how-to, drawing how-tos. Drawing was my first passion, and I spent a lot of time distracted with a pencil somewhere in a corner or something during class at school when I was supposed to be doing schoolwork. So I feel like I have a lot to share on that. Pretty good with the things I'm going to show you. Beyond that, we'll be learning together. My first professional work was charcoal portraits. So, I mean, there's a lot of different topics on drawing to cover. Let's see what else. Story time. We're going to get to know each other better over time, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm sorry, I keep looking, but like there's something, like some kind of crap in my eyelash. I don't know if it's, well, whatever. My everyday life is not about like being glammed up. It's not possible while I'm working in my studio. It's just not possible. It's a mess. So understand that if you see me looking like a little bit messy when I'm demonstrating something, it's not that I'm a slob. It's that it's appropriate things for appropriate time. And I thank you, the people that have already subscribed to this channel. I realize people might be getting to know me, and I'm really hoping that people start to comment and ask questions, and you can easily check my Instagram out. All my social is created by Renee. You can check out my work and check out the different types of things that I create, and then maybe you can, comment, ask me a question like, well, how do you do this? Or can you make a video about that? And how do you start your Etsy? How did you get published? I cannot promise that I'm going to be able to answer every single comment that I get, but believe you me, I'm going to do my best to acknowledge and respond to as many comments as humanly possible. I'm hoping to start at 2 videos a week and maybe graduate to doing 3 videos a week. I'm trying to get comfortable filming myself and creating this new way. Am I going to be posting stuff with me glammed out, doing paper mache pulp or painting and things like that? Hopefully you get where I'm coming from. You feel me trying to be authentic, and hopefully you subscribe and you like. I'm so super excited about it. I'm excited that you are actually right now watching this video and you're still here watching this video. I hope you watch and you get some value out of it. Let's keep it nice and friendly and good energy, good vibes only.
By creating an imaginary picture